छुट्टियाँ What's up everybody? Welcome back with a new video.
Hi guys.
चल रही So today is Friday. Actually last week video डालना था but कुछ था नहीं. It's raining out so कुछ कर नहीं सके हम. So now we decided कि we'll just sit at home and do some challenge kind of a thing. What is the challenge called?
Whisper challenge.
Whisper challenge. So before we begin with that, I wanted to talk something about that previous video. भाई अच्छे likes मिले, I mean views मिले उस पे, and also would like to tell you all कि subscribe करो. तो देख रहे हो वीडियो subscribe करो. ठीक है? About that Yulu thing जो बोलना चाह रहा था, it is something MMRDA project और जो आपका 200 rupees है deposit किया है, that you will get it as a refund. Did it in the evening something 7 o'clock. Next day morning 5-6 o'clock मेरे को मिल भी गया था पैसे. ठीक है, anyways you can try that और मैं डाल दूंगा लिंक ऊपर आई बटन पे. Let's begin with the challenge.
Yeah, I mean, so basically you don't have to explain anything to them. It's a very
मेरे को खुद करने
common
वाले मैं I'm doing it for the first time.
common challenge that everybody does it. So
Mhm.
yeah, so we have got few sentences. He's got few of his own.
Whisper challenge.
Yeah, so few sentences he's got. I have got few sentences and words.
So we have decided कि क्या करना है. The dare would be someone would eat half chili whoever loses. हमको तीखा खाने का आदत है. So समझ गए ना. वो वीडियो भी डाल दूंगा आई बटन पे. देख
Spicy
लेना.
noodles.
So let's begin with the
just
challenge. So
start.
what we have, these are meaty. आपको तो पता ही होगा ये कैसे बचते हैं. ठीक है. So we're gonna start. I or you did
Let's do rock paper scissors.
70%.
Rock paper scissors. Rock paper scissors. So
हाँ.
you're going
ठीक
first.
है ना. मेरे को क्या है भाई. मैं कोई कौन सा मतलब तू कर मैं कर क्या है.
Okay. Should be too loud.
It is full loud.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Play it full music पे. कुछ भी मत लगा तो अच्छा गाना लगा.
अरे उसमें भी चॉइस गाना तो
Bass
लाउड
वाला
होना
गाना लगा ना
चाहिए.
कुछ अच्छा. Don't do time pass.
I'm right next to you.
I am not able to hear you.
Okay, so I have 6 sentences picked for him
Even I
randomly.
will have 6 obviously.
He'll also have 6. Okay, so I'm just playing the music and let's see how it goes. I love your sense of humor.
I love.
I love your sense of humor.
I love. I love.
Your sense of humor.
Open your mouth and talk.
I am right here, talk softly. I love
You. I love.
your sense of humor. You have only 3 chances, okay? Only
Three words.
3 chances.
Pause the music. क्या बोलना चाह रही है तू?
I'm telling the camera that there are 3 chances for you to guess.
3 chances तो 30 seconds का रखना है. ऐसे कुछ तो कर.
3 chances हो गया.
3 chances में हाँ ठीक है तो short होना चाहिए वो.
Short ही है. I love you.
I love you. बस हो गया यार.
Your sense of humor.
Soft cucumber. Soft cucumber. I love soft cucumber. What?
I love your sense of humor.
I love soft cucumber. Done.
You're out. Out.
Done.
Out. You didn't get this.
What is it?
I love your sense of humor.
ठीक है next कान में डाला पूरा.
Don't play too loud, yeah.
नहीं लाउड जितना मैंने लाउड लिया उतना ही तेरे को लेना पड़ेगा ऐसे थोड़ी. हाँ तो even I took the same. इसमें से आवाज बाहर आता भी होगा I think.
I can't hear.
चौधरी की धोती. चौधरी की धोती.
Sausages.
चौधरी की धोती.
Totally.
तो ये ना 3 बार वाला नहीं करते. We'll give some 1 minute time. देखिए अब now it's 8:31. ठीक है 32 पे बंद करता हूँ. चौधरी की धोती.
Chaudhry's totally.
चौधरी की धोती.
Chocolate.
चौधरी
Slowly.
चौधरी की धोती. चौधरी.
Sophie.
सोफी. चौधरी की धोती.
Totally.
ये गाना खत्म, तेरा टाइम भी खत्म. चौधरी की धोती.
I said Chaudhary.
बट चौधरी की धोती.
I said Chaudhary.
तो धोती कौन बोलेगा? पूरा बोल.
Even if the one word is correct, you have to tell me.
ठीक है, चल नेक्स्ट टाइम.
So Chaudhary की धोती is.
बस चौधरी की धोती.
And I don't like.
चल
Totally.
प्ले कर.
Okay.
नेक्स्ट.
You can hear me.
नो.
Czechoslovakia.
3 words.
One word.
1 word.
Yeah.
Tell.
Czechoslovakia. He's not
Come
gonna
again.
get this. Czechoslovakia.
चला गावाला.
Czechoslovakia.
चोको केक लावा.
No. Okay, I'm taking it slow. Czechoslovakia.
चाकोस्ती लावा.
Czechoslovakia. He's not gonna get
रिपीट.
it. Czechoslovakia.
चेकोस्लोवाकिया.
Yeah. Hey, but I already told you 3 chances, but on the 4th or 5th
वो तो
chance.
नहीं, अपन 1 मिनट का कर रहे. मैंने बोला. मैंने कैमरा पे बोला when you were on, sorry.
No, you won't let me. Okay, you
So
got
I
it.
got
right.
1 point. Start. Round 2. छुट्टियां चाहिए मुझे. 3 words. छुट्टियां. छुट्टियां.
You're abusing.
छुट्टियां चाहिए मुझे.
छूते नहीं मुझे.
छुट्टियां चाहिए मुझे.
छुट्टी चाहिए मुझे.
छुट्टियां चाहिए मुझे.
छुट्टियां चाहिए मुझे.
तेरे को सुनने आ रहा है.
No, I already said छुट्टियां चाहिए मुझे. It's supposed to.
You heard something. इतना कैसा तू परफेक्ट है?
Nine, I swear I didn't hear. It's on camera. You can hear me?
हाँ.
Okay. Popcorns make me poop.
बॉम.
You want to do boom boom? Popcorns make me poop.
बॉम्बे में गुस्सा बॉस.
Popcorns make me poop.
1 3 words.
Yeah.
First word.
4 words.
4 word.
Popcorn.
हाँ बोल. खत्म हुआ था गाना. It started.
He heard me.
नहीं,
He heard the
I
first
didn't
one.
even
You
heard.
heard it. Only you heard it.
No रे.
You heard it. Cheating.
माँ कसम.
Cheating. Wait, let me tell
I swear on you.
I don't want to die.
चल.
Sure you didn't you?
No रे. अरे तब फटक से चालू हुआ. हाँ.
Popcorn makes me poop.
हिंदी और इंग्लिश.
English. अंताक्षरी नहीं खेल रहे. हिंदी English.
हाँ बोल.
4 3 4.
बोल.
Popcorn makes me poop.
बॉम्पस पॉम्पर.
Popcorn makes me. Popcorn makes me poop.
बॉम्बर बसलो बॉपर.
नहीं 1 minute I didn't.
What it was?
Popcorn makes me poop.
This was nice. कसम आवाज तो बाहर आ रहा है इसका. इधर आ रहा है.
अंदर क्या घुसा है क्या?
लैब्राडोodle.
Lamborghini.
हाँ बाप की दे रहे. लैब्राडोodle.
हाँ?
लैब्राडोodle.
Tomato roll.
हाँ खाने का है. लैब्राडोodle.
Diamond roll.
लैब्राडोodle.
Diamond roll.
नो रे बाबा. अबे लैब्राडोodle रे.
Camera ruler.
गिर गया देख. मैं अच्छा हुआ बोला नहीं. Why you being so innocent? लैब्राडोodle.
Tamarind roll. Tissue roll.
लैब्राडोodle.
Music stop.
You heard it?
No, I didn't.
नहीं
Come
होगा.
with me.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा. मैं बोल रहा हूँ छोड़ दो. तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
What it was?
Labradoodle. It's a dog breed if you all don't know. My turn. Chal. Start.
Music is on.
Music is on.
My eyebrows are on
Hindi,
fleek.
English what?
दमशास खेल रहा है क्या तू? English.
English. हाँ बोल.
My eyebrows are on fleek.
In my house there is toffee. Coffee.
Okay. My
My
action once.
my
Eyebrows are on fleek.
my house all are stupid.
My eyebrows are on fleek.
Coffee or toffee?
Man, your time is over.
Game is over.
I said time is over.
मेरे को मालूम है मैं हरा लेकिन बोल क्या था.
My eyebrows are on fleek.
डन है?
Okay, done. My
Done,
chance, yeah.
I am Ron.
I am running.
छोड़िए ये कट करना पड़ेगा प्लीज.
हाँ?
We'll have to cut this. You are right.
I'm on. I'm on.
मैं सोचा तो कुछ और बोलेगी.
First of all, you did like this.
अरे यार.
No, I got this one. Cheat. I can't feel my lips.
I want to achieve my dreams.
No. I can't feel my lips.
I want to eat your lips.
We wish. We're not on camera. Okay. I can't feel my lips.
I can't. I can't.
Feel my lips.
Fuck my dreams.
No. I can't
Feel. Feel. I can't feel
my lips.
my lips. I can't feel my lips. Oh.
Because I was like so nice.
Feel your lips.
The sentence is
Right.
actually, I can't feel my lips. Can I feel you? I.
अच्छा वो जो भी हो मैं जीता ना बस.
So we are equal. We are equal. 2-2. Now my chance. Say something.
तुझे ऐसा घो.
तुझे ऐसा गो.
ये मैं टेस्ट कर रहा था खाली.
हाँ?
I was just testing if you can hear.
Hey, shut up. I won.
सच्ची में टेस्ट कर रहा था मेरे कैमरा के सामने बोला.
Then everybody hurt someday. Eh.
3 minus 2.
Very nice.
What? गाली.
You're
I said 3 minus 2.
what?
3 minus 2.
3 minus 2.
मैंने ये करके गलती किया यार. My mistake.
3 minus 2. 3 minus 2.
हाँ but disposal what is?
Started music.
No, you have to start.
Thomas and his friends.
क्या?
I'm just testing you. Testing you. Okay, as he just to me.
बोलना.
Thomas and his friends.
3 words. बोल.
Thomas and his friends. That's what he calls me because that was his favorite cartoon. Thomas and his friends.
Toppers are failures. Toppers are failures.
Wait, Puta. Thomas and his friends.
Toblerone.
Your favorite cartoon, that is, you call me Thomas and his friends.
मैं कुत्र्याची पोरगी.
Thomas and his friends.
Thomas and his friends. Thomas.
Music stopped. Rubbish. Music stopped.
Music
No,
I swear.
music went low.
It didn't go बोल लो I came to know Thomas and his friends, और क्या हो सकता है? मैं झूठ क्यों बोलूं?
No, but the real time is going to come now.
Yeah, I was just checking you whether you can hear me.
तो ये Thomas and his friends था ही नहीं. ठीक है, but what it was?
Thomas and his friends.
वही तो बोला मैंने.
अरे
No,
no,
I was checking you, no? How you checked me? You said something.
Checking मतलब क्या होता
हाँ
है?
ठीक है, तू जीता भाई.
एक मिनट रुको, मेरे को शौक आता है इसके ऊपर बोलने का. Forget about it. Forget about it.
Flat mountain.
No, mountains are not flat, भाई. Forget about it.
Tell again.
Forget about it.
We love mountains.
I love mountains. That is another thing. But I'm saying, forget about it.
We eat mountains.
Your father eats mountains. Forget.
Forget.
Forget about
Forget about.
it. Forget about.
Forget about.
अरे बोल, forget about it.
Forget about it. I want. You hate Ruchi. Oh shit, I'm craving.
क्या चिल्ला ही है.
Chili, get the chilies. Get the chilies. Let the chilies come. So here the chili goes. Okay. So he has to just. I'm being very lenient because I do love him more than he does. Okay. So that's the truth. Okay. Yeah. So I will just give him a choice advice. I'm not giving him this. This is too lenient. Yeah.
तो बीच का थोड़ा हाँ.
This much is good.
ये कुछ भी.
ए, इतना तो खाता ही है ना, तू खाता है ना तीखा. Okay.
हाँ चल.
And तू स्टार्ट भी नहीं किया होती.
Done. गया.
इतना मतलब 2 सेकंड में नहीं, 1 सेकंड also didn't happen.
खाने से मतलब मैंने खा के गलत कर दिया.
ठीक है. Okay, so we are done with the whisper challenge finally. So I hope you guys enjoyed. You all had a great laugh.
At
I
least
hope
we
that.
enjoyed
We
it.
तो loved it.
We enjoyed it. मतलब मैंने भी पहली बार किया. It was fun.
Okay, so yeah, that's it for today's video.
Oh my god.
I hope you all really liked it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget
Yes.
to hit the bell icon.
What you all want to see in the future?
Yeah,
Do
next,
let us know. for
any
next.
places that we
Some
have to
challenge
visit,
also will
any
know.
new food items, then any challenges. Yes, we are ready for challenges. You all can even tell us about any pranks that we can do on each other. So you all
but-
can DM us
Hmm.
on our Instagram handle.
Instagram
So-
नीचे है description.
Okay, thank you for everything. Thank you for watching this video. And if you all have been till the very end, do leave a comment.
And do like also.
You already said.
ठीक है? See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.